Nearly 1 year after the devastating floods in Pakistan, families are harvesting food again. In a race against time, FAO and its partners reached over 10 million people across the country within 6 months. Through these efforts, some 1 million animals were kept alive and healthy, and wheat planting was not delayed by a year. FAO provided wheat and vegetable seeds to nearly 480,000 flood-affected families. In January, Mohammed Zada had already planted his wheat and vegetable seeds, and his mother Kambara received animal feed and deworming pills for her few remaining animals. The cost of keeping one animal alive is less than 1/10 of its replacement value, and these animals are a crucial source of income, nutrition, and draft power, and for many farmers, their main asset. Now in June, the family is feeling more hopeful as they had a good wheat harvest, which will help feed them for the rest of the year and provide quality seeds for the next planting season.
او په هغه طریقه باندې چې موږ هغه سرې او هغه تخمونه وکرل نو هغې نه موږ ته ډېره زیاته پیدا داسې وشوله سار چې هغه نور کله به زموږ غنم کېدل تقریبا 28 من 26 من نو په دې سږني کال کې تقریبا 40-45 من چې وبل.
Farming families lost generations worth of hard-earned assets and savings. FAO implemented cash for work schemes across the country, clearing irrigation channels to ensure the planted crops would get enough water.
Allah di miherbani thi hai silab hai sale uta al tarse ki tina khal hai ditane hon ghar di mazduri hai changi mazduri mel bani hai bachyan ko khamene hai amman de pahan tha.
The average family requiring agricultural assistance owns or can access only 5 acres of partially irrigated cropland. High levels of malnutrition, food insecurity and debt are daily realities. In January, Bachai struggled to feed her 7 children, and she was expecting another baby. Here in Sindh, in many areas, it was impossible to plant the winter wheat crop, as the floodwater receded much more slowly. But in spring, this family received sunflower, rice, and vegetable seeds. Misri Khan had to rush his wife Bachai to a clinic in the middle of the night as her labor pains started. Now Bachai has a new baby girl, Sajida, and she's cooking vegetables for the family dinner.
का अटो बतो अन्न राशन वगैरह बीमारी सीमारी जो कयो ऐं बाक़ी कुझु पैसा जेके रहियल हुआसीं असां हुनखे नर्स खे बि ॾिना.
FAO and its partners have already helped over 900,000 families to produce food again, but it is vital that assistance continues over the next 2 years to build livelihoods, reserves, and resilience against future shocks.